So if we did it that way, then like a traditional affiliate program, then we saw that the everyday person wouldn't make enough money that it could actually change their lives. You'll earn $5 for completing rewards enrollment. The other big thing, and this is where it gets really big, is you'll earn $5 in rewards cash for every single member who you refer who enroll in the rewards program, the free rewards program. In the new rewards back office, you're going to have a brand new dashboard. And the new dashboard actually segments what you earn directly from your own ad rewards activities. Now, this is just for joining Webtalk, enrolling in the free rewards program. You're going to get this kickback as your views grow. So as you become an influencer on the platform, you can make 6, 7 or more figure income just from your content. But there are no limit to your referrals, even though the calculator maxes out at 100,000. But you can only imagine, what the numbers are going to look like if you keep multiplying $4 times. Now, how much can you earn with the 5-level bonus? You can see the calculation already. If you invited 200 people, but they all invite 6 on average, now times the same $4, now just multiply times more people. And this is how you get to a 6-figure monthly income pretty quickly.